Hello children, today I am going to introduce you cardiac cycle. You know that our heart, while beating, it produces a sound. It is called by the name lub-dub sound. First heart sound, it is called lub, occurs when arterioventricular valves close. Then second heart sound, it is called dub, occurs when semilunar valves close. So then heart is producing that rhythmatic contraction and relaxation of heart produces. That means auricles and ventricles, its movement, it produces a sound. It is called heartbeat. This is also called by the name systole and diastole. During systole, first the atria contract to push the blood into ventricles, and then the ventricles contract to pump blood into blood vessels. During diastole, the heart receives blood. So then while these kinds of contraction and relaxation, it produces a sound. It is known as lub-dub sounds. Then this heart sound we can hear with the help of a machine. It is known as stethoscope, and that blood, it is applied pressure on our blood vessels. It is measured by sphygmomanometer. So then many are in confusion with that what is heartbeat and what is pulse. Heartbeat means it is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart. In the case of pulse means it is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation aorta and its main arteries. So the heartbeat means it is regulated by the nervous and endocrine systems. Pulse means it is due to the flow of blood from the heart and is dependent on the rate of heartbeat. One complete heartbeat consists of one systole and one diastole, and it lasts for about 0.8 seconds. Pulse is a regular jerk of an artery. It depends on the rate of heartbeat. Heartbeat means it is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart. Pulse means it is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation in aorta and its main arteries. So then pulse means it is a regular jerk on artery. So then heartbeat means one complete heartbeat, one systole and one diastole. So together we say heartbeat. Let us see now cardiac cycle. So here that venous return to that right atrium. That means impure blood reached to that right atrium. Then venous flow arrives in the right ventricle. From that auricle, right auricle, blood reached to right ventricle. That impure blood reached to right ventricle. From here, that venous blood is sent in the lung via the pulmonary artery. This pulmonary arteries carries impure blood towards lungs. Then afterwards, purification occurring in that lungs. After oxidation in the lung, the blood returns to left atrium. That means that pulmonary vein bring that pure blood towards left atrium. From that left atrium, it reaches to that left ventricle. From here, left ventricle, this aorta carries blood to all parts of the body. This is known as one cardiac cycle. This complete one event is called by cardiac cycle. In this cardiac cycle, atrial systole, ventricular systole and diastole. Otherwise, a kind of joint relaxation. It is all together, it will take 0.8 second time. Next, important one, that electrical impulses produced by pacemakers. So then not only that muscular work is there, nerves also doing a particular kind of function in that heart. It is known as electrical impulses are produced. So here you can see that sinoatrial node or SA node. So here this SA node, so here you know that right auricle and right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. Here it receives that impure blood, then it is passing to this ventricle, right ventricle. From right ventricle, pulmonary arteries carries pulmonary vein bringing pure blood here. So for this kinds of this contraction and relaxation, certain electrical impulses are produced on these walls, on this septum. Septum is known as the walls. On this wall, these electrical impulses are produced by this sinoatrial node. In the ventricle, here we can see that certain fibers are there. It is called His. This is known as Purkinje network. So this is produced that electrical impulses for the working of heart. The electrical system of the heart, the atria and ventricles work together alternatively, contracting and relaxing to pump blood through the heart. The electrical system of the heart is the power source that make this possible. Normally, the electrical impulses begins at the sinoatrial node located in the right atrium. The electrical activity spreads through the walls of the atria, causing them to contract. Let us see that what is blood pressure. Blood pressure is defined as the lateral pressure exerted by flowing blood on the walls of the arteries. Blood pressure means the lateral pressure exerted by flowing blood on the walls of the arteries. Let us see what is the differences between heart rate and blood pressure. Speed at which the heart beats is known as heart rate. It beats per minute and regular value is 60 to 100 bpm. Blood pressure. Blood pressure means it is the pressure of the blood in the circulatory system and it is measured millimeters per mercury. Its regular value is 120/80 mm Hg. So then mercury is used to measure. Regular value is 120/80. Heart rate is 60 to 100 bpm. And speed at which heartbeat is known as heart rate. So pressure of the blood in the circulatory system is called blood pressure. So certain definition and it's more detail we are going to learn about this heart rate and pulse rate. Its main definition is it is a rate at which cardiac muscles contract and relaxes. Pulse rate means it is the rate at which the arteries contract and relax in response to blood flow. Contraction and relaxation, heart rate, cardiac muscles, pulse rate, it shows by arteries. The instrument used to measure ECG machine. Pulse rate is measured by pulse meter or infrared monitor. Thank you for watching this video.